Good morning. It's Friday. It's the Bubba Show. Another week in the books, and we're here for Commodity Corner. And as we noticed last week, the commodities managed to pretty much maintain their ground, although consolidate and trade in ranges. I think one of what we want to look at is the grain markets. The grain markets continue to find reasons to sell. Now, they did have some nice pops up, but again, we're starting to turn over, and we're looking for spots to sell those. Again, I stand by the theory of sell every rally in the grain markets. You've heard people talk about the drought and the winter drought. All of that, in my opinion, is priced into the market. Oil continues to hold steady up above that 95 level. Now, it looks like it's all poised and ready to run to, probably 100. I believe a lot of this is based on some of the fear in the Mideast and in Algeria and what's going on with the oil market. But remember, in this country, we are a net exporter of oil now. We have more oil than we would know what to do with it, which is being reflected at the price at the pump. So I look for oil at some point. I'm not going to recommend a short here, but I'm looking for it at some point to change directions and look for it to start to go lower. The gold market, we have been spot on and on target in the gold market. Gold is now firmly entrenched below 1,700, and I see no reason not to be a seller of gold at any range up to that 1,700 level. The dollar has now completely started to collapse as the euro currency is gaining strength. Now, this is a sign that this is what's helped the higher commodity prices, because they are all benchmarked against the U.S. dollar. It only sense that when the dollar gets weaker, commodity prices will rise. Now, you're getting a lot of this move. The trade was too crowded. There was many shorts. You're getting a short squeeze. I look for the dollar to start to make a recovery here and look for the markets to start to rebound that would tie in with all of the commodities as we're looking at. As we do on every Friday, we look at and try to predict markets. I see no reason that the market won't continue to rally. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if we rally all the way into the jobs number today and then we start to sell off and possibly have some sort of key reversal on a Friday. I look for the markets to be flat to lower this week, but not dramatically. I look for the oil market to be lower now. This is not a trade we would make, which is why I do this Friday. We need some more technical chart patterns, but I look for the oil market to be lower. I look for gold to continue in its downtrend, and I look for the grains to look for opportunities to sell. That's the way I see it for Friday, the Bubba Show. Everybody have a great weekend. Enjoy the Super Bowl, and we'll talk to you on Monday. Take care, everybody.